hang all the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Tequila of Tequila Be Natural, and today I am doing the 2016 Real Women of YouTube Secret Santa unboxing. So, as you already know, I am part of the Real Women of YouTube on the lovely Facebook group, and we decided for the second year to do a gift exchange. So I got my gift right here, and I will unbox it now. So, in here, there's a little note that says, "A gift for you. Hi Tequila, enjoy your gift from Secret Santa, hashtag Real Women of YouTube." And what's inside the box, let's see. Thought it was going to be more easier to open, but it's okay. Got my handy dandy scissors here, and I'm just gonna cut this open. And what I got is the Glamour glitter from Eye Candy. So there are, I think, 1, 2, a total of 6 of them. So I can't even get them all in my hands, but that's what I got. I got Eye Candy Glamour Glitter. This is actually eyeshadow, and as I've told you guys before, in the upcoming year I do want to wear more makeup, and I'm really digging these glitter eyeshadows. I love the look. I just want to thank my Secret Santa. I did find out who she was, so I will thank you. Her name is Rochelle. Her channel is Rochelle Socialifetv. I'll put her information in the description box below, and make sure that you check her out. Thank you, Rochelle.